one of the most difficult experiences to go through, whether it's a mutual decision or something that just one person in the relationship wants. And with us this morning to talk about the process and what you need to know before taking the steps to end a marriage is Nancy Rommelmann, who is a local family law attorney. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
So you've been practicing for 25 years in the Houston area. How many people do you see coming in for divorce?
Well, hundreds of people, and it's a sad state of affairs, but that's where we are in Houston. It's a busy schedules, and you know, people don't work on their marriages. They find it easier to get divorced frequently.
The divorce rate is going up, so I would imagine, unfortunately, for a lot of people, but it's great for business. I mean, it is business. So you say there are 3 things in particular that people should be looking out for when they're thinking about going into the divorce process.
Exactly, and they should be proactive, and they should put a plan together. I think it's very important to go to an experienced family lawyer early on. Even if you can manage to keep your marriage together, go get knowledge. Knowledge is power. I think what makes people wake up in the middle of the night and have fear is the unknown. So go see a lawyer, go find out what you need to do. The second thing that's very important is to understand that the first to file in Texas, and that they call that the petitioner, gets to put their case on first and end last. So there is an advantage to be the first to file.
Okay. That's second. What's the third one?
Well, the second one is regarding custody of your children. If you think custody is going to be an issue, then you want to really keep good records. Which parent takes the children to the doctor? What parent attends the parent-teachers conferences? What parent takes the children to the extracurricular activities, children's parties, that sort of thing? Collect pictures of the children and things that you've done in activities with the children.
And what should people know about property laws in Texas?
Well, Texas is a community property state, so everything that you acquire during the course of the marriage is presumed to be community. It's important to gather data, very important to gather income tax returns, bank statements, retirement statements, income tax returns. Very important to gather these documents. We also have a separate property, which is property that you acquired by gift or inheritance, or property that you had prior to marriage. So it's very important to gather the documentation of what was in bank accounts at the time of marriage, so that you can, those were not to be divided by the court.
Well, family law attorney Nancy Rommelmann, thank you so much for coming in. We really appreciate the legal advice. Hopefully, most people won't go in that direction, but if they do, they certainly need the advice. So we thank you so much for that.
Thank you.
All right.